Do you ever get annoying hiccups that just won't go away? There are a few tricks you can try to stop them. First, take slow, deep breaths and hold for a few seconds. Then, swallow a spoonful of sugar or drink a glass of water. You can also try holding your breath for as long as you can. Or, gently press on your diaphragm while taking deep breaths. Some people find relief by sipping on cold water or sucking on ice. If all else fails, distract yourself with a sudden scare or surprise. Remember, hiccups are usually harmless and will stop on their own eventually. But if they persist for a long time, it's best to consult a doctor.